guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to do the what's in my bag tag because I can't wear eye makeup still, so I figured might as well do this. So if you're interested in seeing what's in my bag, then keep on watching. My purses that I use are always gigantic, and this one looks like this. I don't even know if I can get the whole thing in the picture. So it's like a floppy, I think it's like a hobo bag or something like that. I bought it off the internet for Christmas for myself. I don't know what the brand is. I don't know. I have no clue what the brand is, but I know it's like 250 bucks. So hopefully it was, so what I have is, it's like so dirty in my purse all the time. I'm that gross bitch. I have a pair of glasses. I think they're Burberry, whatever the fuck they're called. So I have my glasses. They're so dirty right now. But yeah, I'm like blind as fuck. So I have to wear them. Definitely at nighttime. Probably should when I'm driving. Yeah, but I don't like to wear them. I don't like to wear glasses. So there's my glasses. And my dog chewed the case because he's an ass. I have these Key sunglasses. They're the high key sunglasses that Desi Perkins made, I think. They look like this. I own them in like every color. I think I have like a lot. I think I have 3 of the gold pair. I think pink, brown, silver with like plain black. I don't know. I have lots of them. I love them. I have this little Coach thing. And okay, this is so weird, but like I always have been like a makeup-y person, but I never am somebody that takes makeup. I mean, I'll take makeup with me, but I never like reapply or like touch up. I'll put like more lip gloss on or something throughout the day, but I don't even know why I carry this. So in this little bag, there is this little thing to get rid of dog hair. There is a Mary Kay hand cream that a drunk girl gave me. There is this little Too Faced Born This Way foundation and this tiny little beauty blender. And then Buxom lip gloss in Sophia. That's my favorite one. And then Lip Venom. That's my favorite lip plumper gloss. Buxom in this one. And then, a little tiny pair of Tweezerman tweezers, which are my favorite. I didn't know I had those in there. And then I always have one of these blue Blistex with me. I think there's probably like 5 in my purse because I'm crazy like that. There is this cream. It's like numbing cream because I was supposed to get Botox, but then I had a migraine, so I didn't. So there's that. There is my cigs. Gross, I know. There's a shit ton of medication. I get really bad migraines and cluster headaches. So always have to have those with me because they're like crazy bad. I was in the hospital on morphine for like every day for a month for my migraines. So they finally gave me some really good painkillers so I don't have to go get shots all the time. And then here's my Louis Vuitton wallet. I think my cousin bought it for me for my birthday, I'm pretty sure. And it's just got my credit cards, debit cards, license, fuel card, all that stuff. And then there's this like random envelope with money. 60 bucks. I don't know why that's in there like that, but my grandma gifted it to me. She's so cute. So there is a camera charger, another blue Blistex, like some random batteries. This little iPhone charger thing, it's not very good. Oh, I always have a tease and comb with me. There is a flight itinerary thing from the last time I flew, obviously. There's a mini Too Faced Born This Way better than, or no, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Just kind of random because I don't even really like that mascara. There's some Kleenex hair ties. This health food store, like it's called GABA. It's for like anxiety or something, I think. Like, I don't know what it's for. It's like a calming thing, I guess. I don't know. My mom bought it for me. She's kind of into that stuff. And then what is this? Oh, a lighter. And I feel like besides like the hair ties, some change, some bobby pins, my other flight pass thing, that's pretty much it. So super boring, but that's what's in my bag. So yeah, I didn't want to lie and make it even cooler because I mean, what's the point? So anyways, that's what's in my bag. I always carry a gigantic purse, and I usually have to clean it out like once a week because I'll have like the weirdest random shit in there. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video.